Welcome back to another fall flashback. This is the first of a series in which we will explore our trip to Niagara Falls. We'll take a look at our Marriott Superior Fallsview room, take a look at the falls themselves from the Canadian side, take a look at sights from the top of the Skylon Tower, and wrap things up with a fireworks display from our room. So sit back and relax. We started with a very early morning flight out of Tampa to Buffalo, New York. On approach. Oh, we're getting so close. Touchdown! Our private chauffeur met us in baggage claim to assist with getting our luggage and then drive us across the border to our hotel in Canada. I think I see the border. Canada, here we come. Next stop, the Marriott Fallsview Spa and Resort. So we're room 1626, a Fallsview King Superior room. Our bathroom, the spa tub, and nice jacuzzi, and our view here. Opens out onto the falls. Regular sink over here, decent counter space. Then you have toilet and shower. Walk-in closet. King bed, and looking into the bathroom again. We have a fireplace over here. Alright, we're going to hold it right here for a minute because it took Mel and I 2 days to realize this, and I want you guys to know where it is if you stay at this resort. You see that right there? That's actually a flap on hinges, and if you enjoy the sound machines and waterfall noises, you can actually open that flap up and it lets the ambient noise come in from the waterfalls. I can't believe it took us that long to figure that out. Alright, let's go ahead and continue on with the tour. 2 seats, and then our view. We took the Incline Railroad from our hotel. This is an additional cost. They have one-way fares, round-trip fares, and an all-day pass. Here it is, the moment we've been waiting for. We've only seen this on TV. Holy crap, you can say that again.
What's that missed, man?
The far fall is Bridal Veil Fall. Then you have the short American Fall. And the most iconic, Horseshoe Falls. It was unbelievable the amount of power that the falls were generating as far as wind and mist. truly breathtaking. One of the power stations utilizing the falls. That boat is the American Maid of the Mist. You're going to want to watch next week's episode where we take you on the Canadian boat, the Hornblower, and experience the base of Horseshoe Falls. All right, we are heading to the top of Skylon Tower. You can have dinner here or just utilize the observation deck. We elected to have dinner and go to the observation deck. If you want the best of both worlds, set up your reservation about an hour before sunset. That way you can see the sights around in the daylight, but also be there when the sun sets and they illuminate the falls. What an amazing sunset. You have to send me that picture. Well, before we watch the fireworks, let's take a look at some PCAT photos. All right, time to close out the day in the room with a glass of wine, catching the fireworks over the falls. In next week's episode, we're going to take you on the Hornblower to the base of Horseshoe Falls, and we're going to explore Cave of the Winds on the American side. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification button so you know when the video drops. As always, thank you guys for stopping by. We'll catch you next time on the Scenic Route.